Hello everybody, it's me, Greg from Greg Walker channel. And then we are at GLB office and school supplies trading, wholesale and retail. Okay. I'm gonna show you the list here. You're just gonna get the school supplies here. Okay, show it. I'm gonna show it. Crayola crayon, 16 pieces. Elmer's glue. Ouch. Elmer's glue. Okay, baby. Oh. There is no Elmer's glue. Where's the Elmer's glue? Oh, this is not the school supplies. Okay. Okay, it's here. Okay, let's find it. Oh, found it here. Is this 130 grams? Let's read it. Maybe this is 130 grams. Good. 130 grams. Elmer's glue, 130 grams. Here. It's a little blurry if you see it in the screen. Mongol, 10 pieces. Mongol, 10 pieces. 10 pieces. Green for Mongol 2. Okay, good. Mongol 2. Okay. 1 piece eraser. Okay, eraser. Okay. What eraser? 1 eraser. Okay, this one. 1 eraser.
No. Ibutang dito, ambito nga.
Here, 1 eraser. The brand is Rabbit. That was fake Mongol and this is real Mongol. You know where the eraser is? A sharpener.
Ilan nakabuok?
Found it. Color blue.
Blue of orange. Sige.
Okay.
Ngayon lang na to ang i-increase with G's ang kuan.
Okay, I'm gonna let you see it.
Isulat. Muna siya. Very ano siya.
Orange and blue. Scissors. 1 scissors. 1 scissor.
Tubak.
Right here. And then I have. Okay, here. I was sponsored by GL Hub. I am sponsored by GL Hub. GL Hub. The GL. Okay, let's find it. My school elementary formal sim book.
Sige, mag-post.
This is Jose Rizal. What? Look at this. Ouch. Here, intermediate pad. Manila paper. Here, Manila paper.
No. Manila paper. Judy Asia pa yan.
100. What? 100 level. 100 level note. Notebook. Okay. Notebook. Notebook. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Here. And our subjects are Car Ed, English, and Hele, and Science, Math. Okay, for Car Ed, English.
Yarn, imuha.
Yarn. Okay. Car Ed, English, Hele, Science, Math, and Aralpan, Filipino, and music, health, arts, and what is it? Oh, sorry. Okay, I know where the ruler is.
Pentel pen.
Ruler.
Grade 9 or grade 2?
One wood. I want plastic, one wood. Okay. Envelope.
Poster.
The envelope. Envelope. Tall. Lunchbox. Lunchbox. Oh, blue and black ball pen. Okay, blue and black ball pen. This is gonna be a box, and then I am gonna tap this, and it's gonna be all box. Okay, 2 boxes. Lighter. Okay, here, one fine, and one permanent, and one for whiteboard. Okay, all the things are free. Here.
Cars. Kapit na magsukod ilang po. Ako pag-arap sa ula ba katong lapis nga kanang iswag-iswagon lang di natahalang di balikan nanan.
Mechanical paper. Here. Whiteboard. We don't have whiteboard marker. Okay, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And then, sponsored by GL Hub Office and School Supplies Trading Wholesale and Retail. Time to give you a tour of GL Hub.
City ra pangalan anak nimo.
GLB Office at School Supplies Trading Wholesale and Retail.